Well, hello and welcome to another segment of Fallout 4 by Jessic Biking. Today we're doing the third floor of the new Creation Club Neon Flats and Good Neighbor, and we're just coming out of the elevator and show you around a little bit. I used a combination of Art Deco furniture and the Neon Flats furniture. And this is my build. Display cabinet with a gun in it. Military grade circuit board on the hack. And this is what I did with the kitchen area. And I forget the name of the gentleman up there, but there was he had trouble using the particular table up there, so I was able to stick it up on the ceiling up there and put like a overhead carousel. I was managed to get one bottle up there, but I couldn't get no more. Okay, here's the kitchen area. The counter I used. Here's the bedroom. And there's the bathroom area. Okay. Now I used the brick wall and made it it was the only thing I had to work with because it seemed like they abbreviated the building supplies in this particular segment. Alright, there's the desk. And the living room area. And we used one of the fireplaces. And here is the entertainment area. Two arcade machines with coffee station and donuts. So basically that's what I did. Now this, other than the kitchen area here, this was all vacant. There wasn't a thing in here other than the lights on the wall. So it took me about 3 or 4 hours to do this the way I wanted it, and I just got done updating it just this morning before I started filming. So we'll take you to the second floor, which has already been done. And this is how the game presented itself. Now I took some of the stuff out of here to use upstairs. I'd love to have that Chase Lounge. And this is the way they did their bedroom. The layout is pretty much the same. You get a lot of fun doing this. So this is the end of the second floor. Until next time, we are leaving Neon Flats area. And goodbye.